Day 4. That is?
June 4th.
What?
June 4th.
June 4.
June 4th.
Made it easy for us, just follow the dates.
Hey.
You got a pen? I got a pencil. Don't worry. Panic.
Stop panicking, man. You're a classic pen loser.
I know, I'm fucking always dropping that pen, bro.
You always are, mate.
I don't have my little pen pocket for my thing.
Roger traffic, Roy Victor Juliet Alpha is entering runway 09, track 4, upwind departure on runway 18, Mildura. Mildura traffic, get a top Juliet Alpha is clear of all runways, Mildura. Yes? Buddy? There he is, mate, he gone. Oh no, I think I left the fucking PDO cover on. Here we go. Mildura traffic, Warrior Victor Juliet Alpha is rolling runway 18 for a upwind departure. Mildura. And we'll pull up some serious G's here. You liking this, boy? Here we go. Fucking fly, boys. taxiway clearance to
for an upwind departure, runway 17. Ah, shit.
Victor Juliet Alpha, thanks. Just clipped at the critical bit there. Was that left or right?
That'd be a right, runway 17 right.
Victor Juliet Alpha, thanks. Taxi holding point Golf 2, runway 17 right.
Taxi to holding point Golf, runway 17 right, Victor Juliet Alpha. Moorabbin Tower, Warrior Victor Juliet Alpha is at holding point Golf 2, runway 17 right, ready for an upwind departure.
Victor Juliet Alpha, clear for takeoff.
Well, up and away. There is definitely rain under my arse.
Clear to land.
Very smooth, Ollie. There we go.
You're remaining inland of the coast, are you?
We are going to follow the coast down to Bankstown and then come back up and pretty much land Victor Juliet Alpha.
Opposite direction traffic, and as per ERSA, you're meant to just follow the coast but remain inland so you don't get in conflict with the ones coming the other way.
Hey firm, thank you very much. Victor Juliet Alpha.
Tracking for Sugar Road, passing 3,000 to 2,500.
Pretty green down there by the looks. Oh yeah, they keep those things looking schmick. Is that the golf course there? Yeah, it looks like it with the little bunkers. Yeah. That's Moona Links. That's the Links course. That's pretty nice. Unreal.
Turning 6 out.
I might head back. This fog just looks a bit fucking shit for me, I reckon. Fair enough.
032, Charlie Mike.
Look at all these properties in the hills here, they're fucking stunning. Yeah. Sunset views. Mate, that'd be so good. Over the bay. Dude, I can't believe being this calm, flying in like a foreign bit of airspace. I only started flying like fucking 5 months ago. 5-6 months ago. I was shitting myself the first couple times going into Bankstown. With an instructor next to me. Now I'm like, yeah, I kind of get it. I kind of get what's going on here. Going downwind 17, 1,000 feet. Kind of cool.
Early downwind.
Hopefully I butter this landing for you.
Africa number 1.
Move.
Echo.
Move. Victor Juliet Alpha, downwind for runway 17. Right.
Victor Juliet Alpha, your traffic, quarter mile final.
Close your eyes
stars and hope for the best.
Yeah. You want to take over here?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, alright. Don't touch it. You're serious, just like actually take over. Like, what the fuck are you doing?
Fucking beautiful.
Butter.
Huh?
Yeah, he's gonna give way to us. Runway. Doesn't want it? Need a dig.
Learn to fly.